how to upload photos to NanoBanana AI. Watch this video till the end. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your phone. Then in the search bar at the top, type NanoBanana AI and head over to the official website. After that, scroll down until you find the AI editor section. Here you will notice two options that are image to image and text to image. Since we are adding photos directly from the device, make sure you are on the image to image section. After that, click on add image. From here, select the photo. Additionally, if you want, you can also select multiple photos at once. Once selected, hit the down button at the top right. In case if you forgot to add a photo, just click on add image and you will be able to upload additional photos. Once your photos are uploaded, you can enter any prompt to enhance your photo. Lastly, hit the generate button. This way you can generate your desired result, and that's it. That's how you can easily upload photos to NanoBanana AI.